You know, I could have put 2 lighters in my pocket before I came 50 yards down the firing line. Actually, my other lighter just ran out. This is my second lighter. All right, so that roofing nail is heated up. The others are not. That is definitely going to show up nicely on my thermal scope. Those shots were at 50 yards. I'm just trying out different contrasts and lighting levels right now. And I'm going to try some different ammo also. I'm using Gemtech subsonic ammo. And I'm going to go over to the Wildcat high velocity ammo. And I found that the Gemtech is superior. So let's try out some high velocity. I may or may not show the results. I may just hear them. As you can tell, I am looking into the sun. Sunset, I should say. It does have a bit of an impact, I noticed. I can't tell looking at the camera whether or not this is even coming out at all, but that's my setup. 50 yards exactly with the range finder. I did not heat the metal up on the metal plates, but I can still see them. They're giving off some heat, as do the trees, the grass, everything else. However, they do stand out just a little bit. Not nearly as much as that heated roofing nail, but I can see the metal plates, and I'm dinging them. So the Wildcat's going to suffice for what I'm hunting for tonight. Yes, that is the tail end of an aircraft.